dusk, where the wealthiest of the passengers embark. On 11th April, Titanic arrives in Queenstown, Ireland, before setting off across the Atlantic.
Rich and famous on board. Money, money, money.
Among the first-class passengers is John Jacob Astor VI, the richest man on board. Benjamin Guggenheim's family made a fortune from mining, and Isidor Straus is the founder of Macy's department store in New York. Colonel Gracie's account of Titanic's maiden voyage makes him famous one day.
Route to New York.
Southampton, Cherbourg, Queenstown. Disaster strikes. Planned route to New York. The wash from Titanic